Welcome to TC Life Safety's Tech Tips. I'm Dave Peterson, and this is a special segment. We're here to talk about AsBuilt systems. AsBuilt was a fire alarm manufacturer in the early part of the century, and they're no longer with us. That being said, there are a lot of these systems that are out there that are working, that are functional and protecting lives. However, the displays are fading due to whatever reason. They're just fading. They're going away. You can't read what's on the screen. TC Life Safety has acquired a select amount of replacement LCD screens, the exact same screens the manufacturer used, and we have them for sale on our website. I just want to take a couple of minutes of your time and show you how simple it is of a process to change out one of these LCD screens. If you can remove this from the control panel, that's cool. If you're doing it standing on the job site with it on the door, that's fine also. My suggestion to you would be is to have a static wrist strap, right? So you're protecting the devices on the boards, and it's a simple process. Just want to take out 4 screws on the back of this piggyback board that's on top of the motherboard of the device. Take out all 4 screws. And when you go to lift this off, there's a connector under here. So lift it carefully away, and you'll expose the back of the display board. Now, obviously these are loose because I've done this a couple of times, but you just want to take out these metal standoffs that backboard was sitting on and remove the bad display. Take the new display. You want to make sure that connector that we unplugged from this side of the board is on the right hand side. Lay the display in, put in the standoffs. Of course, you'll want to tighten these because that's also part of the grounding for the transient protection of the panel. And you may not be quite as clumsy as I am. Or frustrated. You want to make sure that when you place this board back down on top, that you plug that connector in. There's no polarizing pins or anything, so you just want to make sure that you get all of those pins in there properly. And then take your 4 screws, and there you go. Done deal. We've replaced the LCD display on this system. Now, one thing I failed to mention was, when you go to do this, as you know with any fire alarm system, with anything that has integrated circuitry on it, you need to power the system down completely before you start unplugging components. So please, power the system down. Batteries first, then AC. Go ahead and make your change. Plug all your cables and assemblies back in, power the system back up, AC first, then batteries, let it go through its startup, run a quick test, make sure that display is bright and crisp and clear. You'll know that on the back of this piggyback board, there's a potentiometer that allows you to adjust the contrast of the screen. So you can make sure that it's, the visibility is perfect for the height that the panel is actually mounted in. Don't worry about warranties. They're no longer in business. Don't worry about UL, FM, or any of that other stuff, because what we're doing is we're replacing a device with an exact match. The same component. One out, one in, doesn't affect it. Thank you, and have a life safety day.